and welcome to You Beauty. This is the podcast for your face. I'm Kelly McCarren.
And I'm Amy Clark, filling in for our wonderful Leigh Campbell. I am so excited. You know how much I love recommending products. I'm following the rules this time. I've only got one for each category because I
love
like
it when you
rules.
go rogue, and I really love that you've also got a lip product because Amy Clark is notorious for her love of lip products. Plus, I think she's going to be proud because my lip combo that I'm wearing is actually my Spendy Savvy.
So my Spendy and Savvy today are actually both Savies, but one is
more expensive.
really Savvy. Yeah, and then so the other one is Spendy by comparison. So my Spendy, as you mentioned, I love me a good lip product. It's just the funnest thing going down the chemist aisles and just being like, yep, I'll just try that. I don't have to worry about foundation matching, whatever. And this is a product that I picked up literally 2 days ago from the chemist. You can see the gorgeous sticker is still on it.
Ooh.
This is the Nude. Yeah, so it's actually a newbie as well. I really struggle putting what things into each category, but this is the Nude by Nature Lacquer Lip Serum.
Ooh.
And I'm wearing today the shade Juicy Grape.
It is beautiful.
It is. I'll just do a little bit for you. It is a highly pigmented lip serum.
Balm?
Like a highly pigmented serum lipstick. I would definitely say it feels like a balm. Pigment behaves more like a really high shine, nourishing lipstick.
Behaves.
I
love that way that you just said that word.
I just loved it. As soon as I saw it, I was like, yep, that's a bit of me. It's $24.95, so still very affordable. You'll definitely find it half off at some stage, but it just feels gorgeous on the lips. The more you apply, you can build it up to be a really glossy, shiny finish. Now that I've applied more, you can see it really is like it's popping more, but it fades really beautifully too. It gives you a nice even stain. So as you go throughout the day, it doesn't look like my lips have fallen off my face. I'm just loving it. This is my new lip product du jour.
Oh, well, my Spendy is also a lip product. Now, Amy Clark, I don't know if you've been listening to the Friday episodes, but I'm my favorite lip category at the moment is lip stains. So something that's really going to last, but also not be like dry and gross. This one, it's potentially taking the cake as the best I've tried thus far. Ooh. The Summer Fridays Flushed Lip Stain. I'm obsessed with the color Plum. I'm going to draw it for you. I mean, I've got it on my lips, but I'm going to show you just how, like, I don't know how a texter, you know, when you're a kid and you get like the cheap reject shop texters, but then like for Christmas, you got the Faber-Castell texters, like the really good ones. This is like the Faber-Castell of a lip stain because wait till you see the pigment.
Oh, that's nice. And it's not running out. That's the thing that I find really hard with these lip stain lip liners is oftentimes you feel like they've just dried out already. You're like, I literally just bought this.
Exactly. And like I've had this for a few weeks and it hasn't dried up. So, and also, or they're so runny when you put them on that it goes all over your teeth. That's my biggest pet peeve with a lip stain. Yuck. So what I do, I've been lining my lips with the stain and then feathering a little bit inwards and then I've been popping something like my Savvy on over the top. So it is $38 from Mecca and yeah, it just like now that's not moving anywhere as you can see. Oh, it's giving you the finger. Sorry about that. You can see that it's not moving anywhere and that like it's just so pretty and there's a bunch of different shades.
So long wearing. And the other thing too, just a quick tip with those, because I've been finding with these lip stain lip liners, I put them on and I don't know, the whole really obvious 90s lip liner just doesn't look good on me. I think I have what they call like a low contrast face where I can't wear a really heavy makeup look, but you can color your lips in. Yeah. Literally use it like color your lips in like a full lip tint, and it's exactly the same staying power. But that's how I like to use them.
Yes, that is such a good tip. I probably wouldn't do just a liner either. It's more like a line and then a feather in, so it's a nice little contrast. Amy Clark, what is your savvy?
My savvy, I found this on Instagram. Where else do you find, good stuff? I actually saw a creator called Sonia D'Souza. We'll put her link in the show notes, but I saw her review this blush and I immediately drove to my closest Kmart to buy it. I will say I have tried a lot of those. I think it's OXX. I think we call it that, OXX. That's their in-house brand name. I've tried a lot of their products. This product is so good. It's $6. It is the OXX Cosmetics Luminous Powder Blush. This is the shade Rose. I feel like, Kelly, this is a bit of you.
Ooh.
So this is the most stunning shimmery powder blush. It's just such a winner, and $6. Like, you cannot go wrong for $6. I'll do a little swatchy swatch and I'll try not to give you the finger. It's very pigmented.
Oh my
so that's
word.
Just one swatch. I have the shade, what shade do I have? Oh, Rose. So it's a bit misleading. This isn't really like a rose blush, but I would say it's the most stunning pigmented
so
pop
smooth.
of peony pink. It's very buttery. Like, it's very buttery. It's got a respectable amount of shimmer.
Yeah, it's
so
like a grown-up shimmer. It's not as sparkly. It looks sparkly in the pan, to be fair.
Yeah, it's because the light from my camera is reflecting on it too. So that kind of gives you an idea of how the light might hit it on your face. But it's very similar to vibes to the CoverGirl like a baked luminous blush.
Yes.
Lasts all day. I just love it.
$6.
I'm obsessed with a peony pink blush. $6 doos. You're welcome.
Oh, my goodness. I am absolutely going to purchase that. I wish that you weren't in Melbourne because I want to put it on my face right now. As we all know, I have blush blindness, so I would probably even add it to what I currently have. So, as I said at the start of the episode, my lip combo was today's Spendy Savvy. So, the Summer Fridays lip stain, and then also new, actually, funnily enough, the Lana Lips Ceramide Milkshake Balm. Their new lip glosses. They are so yummy, Amy. You would love them because they actually last. I feel like some tinted lip balms, they just don't last and they don't have that nourishing creaminess that you –
mate.
Like, if I'm putting a lip balm on, I want it to act as a balm. I don't want to have to reapply or for it to dry out. Like, it needs to do its job. $15.
Correct. And if you tell me it's tinted, there better be some tint in it.
Tint, exactly. So today I am wearing Mocha Choca on my lips. It's 90% pure lanolin, which is where Lana Lips is based on. Surprise, surprise. And then it's got muru butter in it and ceramides in it. So it's so I cannot tell you how nourishing it is, Amy. I really want you to try this. Here, I'm going to – well, no, I don't want you to give you that colour. I'll give you the pink colour that I've also got.
We could swap. We could throw out.
So, try it, please.
Through the camera.
You are absolutely going to love this as someone that loves a tinty juice for the lips. And you know what I love? So when they actually sent this to me and with a bunch of colours and it says 1 swipe for a milkshake, 2 swipes for a thick shake. Isn't that cute? So it's like –
that is cute.
Like, you can make it thicker without it sort of then smearing all over your face. Anyway, I
love that.
Love it. It is so comfortable. It is so nourishing. Perfect for winter when you just want that little – like, you obviously don't need to line your lips under or pop anything under. This is great just for carrying around when you want to look like you've got something on your lips but you also want that nourishment. $15 full price from everywhere that you get Lana Lips.